Welcome guys. So we have this question that we are supposed to, we actually have about 4 of them that we are supposed to do. So let's see how we can simplify the following. So in the case of the first one, what is it that is going to be our answer here? Okay, so in the case of this question here, our concentration is on the coefficients. We try and work with the coefficients when we are adding or subtracting. That is what happens. So the coefficient here is 1. Even this one, the coefficient is 1. Therefore, we end up with this one as in what? 2y to the power what? 3. This is what is supposed to be the answer for the first one. Again, let me take you to C. C, again, our concentration is on the coefficients. Here, again, we have 1. Even here, we have 1. So it's like we have 1y cubed and, 1y cubed minus 1y cubed. What do we get? This is going to give us a 0. This is going to give us a 0. Please take note of that. Then now, in the case of this one, this, if we apply the rules of indices here, when you are multiplying 2 powers of the same base, you add the indices. You do what? You add the indices. So it's like y 3 plus 3. And this will end up being y to the power 6. Okay? And then in the case of this one, when we are dividing, again, when we are dividing powers of the same base, what do? What happens to the indices? We subtract the indices. So this is going to be y 3 minus 3. And this will end up as what? Y to the power 0. And you know that any base raised to 0, except 0 itself, this is going to end up as what? 1. All right. So in other words, y cubed divided by y cubed, you have 1. I hope you've gotten it. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Shaumba Mbondo.